Good evening to all of you. Like earlier weeks, we are going to release the trend report for the coming week. And we normally give the trend report for the two counters. One is for Nifty future, another for the Bank Nifty future. So before I will go for that trend discussion, I'll just take you across to two important things what we have done last week. One, we have given some timing prediction of 5 to 6 counters, how they have performed till date, that we'll little analyze. Second, we have also given the trend report last week, how it has performed, that also I'll tell. And coming week trend report you can able to download from this download menu. So from this download menu you can download the coming week trend report. And so there are also some couple of free ebooks are there, couple of our free Android apps also there. So those things you can able to download from this particular link also. And for this Independence Day, we have an offer now, and all our courses and softwares, whatever you are getting in our product domain, all these things. So our entire courses and entire software package. So this comes with a price of 17,500 plus tax normally. So currently we are giving it at 16,130 including of GST. So this money also has some 6 to 700 rupees of GST component. So effectively you are getting it as a price of 15,500 plus tax. So 16,130. You can own all our softwares and all our courses. So coming to the trend analysis, what we did last week and how it has performed. So this is the report is being uploaded, though there was no video release. However, this is the report, it is being generated and uploaded for you on 3rd August, and this is the Nifty levels we have given. So let us have a look on that Nifty what it has given. So Nifty, if you just look into this picture, so 6th to 10th, Nifty made a high of 11,504.7. So this is what the highest price point for the week. And if you just look into the third target, we have calculated 11,504 rupees and 50 paisa. Just 20 paisa difference between the calculated figure and the actual thing what happened in the Nifty. And 375, the weekly low says that, 376 of weekly low says that we have never come to the selling side. We have never come to the selling side. So selling side was starting at 11,367. It has never come. So coming to the Bank Nifty part, so Bank Nifty also we have given last week. And coming to the Bank Nifty part, you just see that last target was 28,352. So if I just go to the Bank Nifty, same way from the past 1 week data, if I can investigate, I'll find it out that 28,386 was the weekly high and 27,825 was the weekly low. So weekly low was 27,825 and 27,825. So selling side of 27,652 has never come, and 28,385 suggests that last target, some 20 to 30 point above the last target also we have achieved. So this is the achievement of the last week, and including this last week's achievement, this particular trend report has given 127th week of success out of 142 weeks. So last week's success, if I can add one more week, it has added to the success. So this is about the one standard deviation trend analysis. So let me go back to the timing analysis what we did as per the Gann principle, and it has happened in a live webinar. So 7 counters I have taken. So the recording of that same thing is available here 1 week before. So and the method used here, the WD Gann's concept, that also I have released 2 videos. One is in English, another is in Hindi. So based on these calculations, we have analyzed 7 counters, and out of these 7 counters, you can just look into this particular counter. So 1st August, there was a high of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, these 2 dates, and 12th is falling on holiday, and 10th, today is 10th and 9th, you have achieved some success. So I have just mentioned it here in this particular video. Whenever your calculated dates are falling on any holiday, then the preceding day or the succeeding day will be acting as a turning point. So price turning points dates, or these are the days when you can experience some kind of high of that month, low of this month, or volume wise some increment in the volume also you can expect. So TCS, so if you just look into today's pricing point, it was almost given the highest price point of the month so far. So if I just go back to the TCS, so these are the things we have analyzed. Tata consultancy services we have taken, and 1996.5 it has given. Trailing 1 month data if I am taking, trailing 1 month data I am taking. So here August month if I can consider, so better if I just go for 2 weeks data. So July lot of movement was there. So August month if I can just consider, 6th August you have 1998.95, there was a drifting down, and today if you can just see that 1996.50. So this also 10th August you have experienced one higher price point, just a couple of 1 or 2 rupees, 1 to 2 rupees difference from the 6th August high. However, today also is one of the good day for this particular counter. So volume wise, 9th August you have expected the 20 lakhs volume. So if I just go for here, it is some 27 lakhs of volume is being created today. So this is for the Tata consultancy services. 10th August we have projected some of the turning point may happen. So you got a, though it is not the August month's high, but it is just missing by 1 to 1.5 rupees. And coming to the Tata Steel. So lot of actions we have seen in this particular counter. So we have expected 1st August, one of the 1st August we have expected some of the oscillations should start. So if I'm not wrong here, you can say that 1st August, 1st August, this is the highest price point. Here it has, if I just go for the trailing 1 month data also, you can find it out. 19th July it has created a low. Trailing 1 month's data if I go for 19th July it has created a low. And 1st August price if I can just consider, 1st August price if I can consider here, the 1st August price was the highest price point after 19th July. After 19th July, this point was highest price point. So why this 19th July is very important? Because we have started our counting or started our calculation from 19th July. So in the July month data, 2nd July was the highest price point, 19th July was the lowest price point. From there we have just calculated. So 1st August, one of the date it was falling. So 1st August we have experienced that it has from 19th to 1st August it has given the highest price point on that day. Post that it has drifted, and 7th August it has given the, it has crossed this particular high 567, 7th August, and 9th August you have made a higher high, so 587 level it has gone. So these two also if you can just see, 3rd August also we had one good price point. However, 3rd August we didn't experience any kind of movement in that. So this is on Tata Steel. Nifty, all of you have experienced that 1st August was the highest price point. Then yesterday, the 9th August was one of the price point, and today, the preceding day of this 12th August. So 12th August preceding day falls on today. So this day we have seen some trend change. Let us see on very following day what is going to happen. So today if you just see that yesterday was a highest price point of day, and today falling the just preceding day of 12th August, and we have seen some trend change. How far it is succeeding we can able to find it out. Sun Pharmaceuticals, same way we have given for Sun Pharmaceuticals. So here also I'll check for the some pharmaceuticals, and today it was a great down day for this particular counter. So here 6th August one day was coming 593. It was the highest price point for this particular stock in the trailing 1 month period. So if I can just go back to here, 4th August was one of my calculated date. So 4th August was one of my calculated date. So that particular day, 4 and 5th falling on holiday. So 6th it has factor. So as I told you, for whenever the days calculated by you fall in the holidays, the succeeding days or the preceding days can impact on that. So 3rd August also was one of the highest price point of the trailing 1 month. However, 6th August you have touched 593.4. That was also very within the principle of this time calculation. So this is for the Sun Pharmaceutical. Same way you can see for the HDFC Bank and also for the Reliance. Reliance also 9th August you have just got one highest point. So preceding days, and 11th August falling in the holiday. So succeeding day we need to find out. 30th July also one of the highest price point of that. So as I told you, this particular principle gives you 60 to 65% of accuracy on timing prediction, and it is one of the easiest principle of the WD Gann, which you can able to implement and find out the most probable days when there is a trend change will be expected. So these two principles you have seen, and you have also none of these principles whatever we promote, it doesn't have any ambiguity. You cannot say that this is a principle which is just having some ambiguity. It is a clear-cut mathematical calculation. Based on that calculation, you derived those number of dates when you expect a trend change to happen, and you found out that out of 6 to 7 counters, 4 to 5 counters obey that, 1 or 2 counters disobey that. So that also 60 to 70% more than that accuracy also you have experienced. And this trend report what we are giving every week, you have been experiencing this particular trend report from the past many weeks, and many things, many reasons to believe this particular trend report. First reason is this report is being generated post market hour of the previous week. 3rd August we have generated. So this week's report is being generated today, and the trading starts from 13th of August. So these are the things that are 2 to 3 days well in advance this report is being generated. And if you tell me why it has reversed from 11,504.5 or some 2 to 30 to 40 paisa above it has gone and reversed from there. So you may argue that whether there is no such method to calculate, there is no such method to project the price movement. If you close your eyes and do not believe on any of the method, then I cannot help you. However, I have a strong argument to say here why there was a reversal from 11,504.7. Why not any other price? Why this close resemblance with this particular price has happened and trend reversal happened from here. So same way also I have the specific arguments for Bank Nifty. Why there was a reversal from 28,385, some 20 to 30 points above that it has started, because base is very huge. It is a 28,000 base. So 20 to 30 point above it has gone, and from there the reversal happened, and 28,156 it has closed to. So these are the facts says that the concept of volatility which is being used in this particular method gives this particular accuracy. This gives this precise accuracy. So gives this precise accuracy because of that. And this particular software, one standard deviation software, helps you for intraday trade, for weekly trade, for BTST trade, and it costs you 5,900 per year, including all taxes. So you should think there is a reason to trust on this particular software. There is a strong reason to follow its calculation. Based on these are the facts in front of you, then you can opt for this particular software. It is a great tool for you to help you in your trading activity. However, same time I will also tell it maintains a specific degree of accuracy. So we say 75 to 85% accuracy it maintains. If you trust on any of the concept, then these are the software tools can help you. But if you do not have a trust on any of the concept, and if you think that is market only move by the TV commentary and personal expectations, then I cannot help it out. This is a, if you have a strong conviction that is market moves as per definite principle, and here the principle is volatility, real-time volatility, which our software calculates. It is not the volatility given by the NSE. It is not the volatility you calculate through historic process. This is the volatility, real-time volatility we calculate as per our software. And the 10th August report is already given in our website. So just you need to visit this download link, and here you have download market report section. You can download the report. So the 10th August reports is given here 11,461 above uptrend, 11,409 below downtrend. So the initial trend breakout is very important on Monday. If initially it gives a uptrend breakout, then your stop loss will be 11,392. If initially it gives a downtrend breakout, then your stop loss will be 11,478. So the many times I have told the stop loss definition is where the price trend changes. The definition of stop loss doesn't say that where your mind pleases or how much point you are fixing. The definition of actual definition of stop loss is that the price point where the trend will change. So this is the price point where the trend change is expected. So initial trend breakout is very important. If uptrend breakout is given as per the Pivot principle, 0.382 of downtrend will be the downtrend breakout. If the downtrend breakout is being given, then 0.382 times 382 retracement of the uptrend breakout will act as a stop loss point. So since this is stop loss point is quite high as compared to if you buy here and sell it at 11,392, it comes to near to 70 points of stop loss. How to manage that stop loss? So for that I am just telling you to hedge it with one put option. So if you are buying it 11,461, go with a 11,450 put option, and if you are selling it at 11,409, then you can go with a 11,400 call option. So this is how you can hedge your trade. Once you are hedged the trade and stop loss triggers, then a great amount of your lost money you can able to recover from this. So that will be the 60 to 70% or more than that of your stop loss amount you can recover from that. So without diluting the very principle of stop loss, we are following the stop loss and same time we are protecting our trade with one hedging. So this concept of trading, if you follow, and I have given a detailed description how you can trade. Once you initiate, what will be the first target achieved, what will be your trailing stop loss, second target achieved, what will be your trailing stop loss. You just follow this particular method or paper trade for 1 or 2 weeks, then you can able to understand that how successful this method is. So the report is already given in our website. You can download this thing. And as I have told you, the timing analysis video is already available in our YouTube channel. Just go through this video. I have just given a very small intro. So just go through this particular video. This is being done 6 to 7 days before. What are the dates we have mentioned, and does any special activities happened on those days? So that you can just plot it so that you can able to get a proof that whether this particular method works or not. And it is not a holy grail for you that yes, someone knows he can able to do. If you are following our WD Gann's course, which is just a 245 pages of a one printed book, and we give some 4.5 hours of lectures, so audio visual presentation. So this is the This is the content of this particular course, and it cost you 2000 rupees plus a courier charges of 150 within India. So within India, it cost you 150 rupees courier charges. And if you are outside India, then postage charges we need to collect from you. You have to write to us so that we will give you that postage, actual postage charges. Once you complete this course, similar time analysis, you can able to do of your own. So this course, once you complete, you will learn many methods of timing analysis, and any one timing analysis you can follow. And this also consists of 34 intraday trading technique. Most of those techniques are innovated by Smart Finance, and you can follow any one or two of these methods so that you can feel the difference in your trade. The change in your trade will come only when you decide to learn and educate yourself. Change in your trade will never come if you think that only the tips provided, getting some tips from someone, or or you can say depending on the television channel will give you a success in the trade. If you are in that particular venture, buying up tips or going through the TV commentaries, then that may not be a good practice, and long run you will understand that that was a big mistake to be in the trade with such kind of half cooked knowledge. So if you believe that yes, there are definite principle of trend forecast, there are definite principle for time forecast, just go with the courses and you'll feel the difference. Once you start learning those concepts and implementing at least one or two principles, you will feel the difference in your trade. So follow this particular trend report, and if you are interested to buy all our courses in this Independence Day offer, you can contact to our sales team. Or if you want to just learn the timing analysis of the WT Gann, you can opt for this particular course and follow this particular coming week's trend analysis after downloading the report from this particular download button and give your feedback. Thank you very much.